The United Kingdom has lifted sanctions on 4 Zimbabwean individuals, Oinluve, Isaac Moyo, Godwin Matanga, and Anselm Sanyatwe, as well as the state-owned entity Zimbabwe Defence Industries, ZVAITWA, Nsanamira Mashoko, Onekwakunzi. Panguva ino UK inolifta sanctions apa 4 Zimbabwean officials kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. The Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office (FCDO) announced the delisting in a statement published on Tuesday, 27 May 2025. The statement reads: the UK announces the delisting of sanctions against individual Owenluve, Isaac Moyo, Godwin Matanga, Anselm Sanyatwe, and the entity Zimbabwe Defence Industries (ZDI). The revocations follow a similar move from the European Union in February 2025 when they delisted their last remaining entity ZDI, whilst renewing their existing Zimbabwe sanctions framework. The US also removed a number of designations in March 2024. Owen Mudanuve is currently the Minister of State for Midlands Provincial Affairs and Devolution, a post he assumed in September 2023. Isaac Moyo served as the Director General of the Central Intelligence Organization from December 2017 to January 2025. In February 2021, the UK imposed sanctions on Moyo, citing alleged human rights abuses related to state crackdowns on protests. Godwin Tanabantu Matanga was the Commissioner General of the Zimbabwe Republic Police from December 2017 to December 2024. Anselm Sanyatwe, now serving as Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, previously held the position of Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army between October 2023 to March 2025. He also commanded the Presidential Guard and was directly involved in the events of 1 August 2018 when security forces opened fire on post-election protesters in central Harare, killing several unarmed civilians. Thomas Kwanobuda panguva inoi vanhu vachinzwa kuti these guys vahobvisirwa zvirango. Tinoti vamwe vanhu panguva inoi vari kuresista vachiti vambobvisirei zvirango pavari, noda kuti vanozivikanwa kuti these guys, some of them, they're inhuman, vakakonzeresa kutsakatika kwehama neshamwari dzevakawanda. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.